April 2007. Red ribbons and golden shovels. A groundbreaking for a Habitat for Humanity subdivision.
I've always had a dream to put in a Habitat addition, and I think you just came in the door just at the right time.
But 15 months later, and still no subdivision. The problem, serious concerns over pollution. So serious, the city of Ardmore won't even work on the site. First News has obtained an internal City Hall email, which tells workers not to disturb the soil because some contamination might exist.
We received a notice of a contract or an agreement that Chevron wanted Habitat to sign that would restrict Habitat from digging in excess of 2 feet in the subdivision without approval.
This is what the neighborhood looked like 72 years ago. A 130-acre crude oil refinery operated by a company called Pure Oil. Over the years, the land was divided up, the lots bought and sold many times over to private individuals. Today, Chevron is responsible for the old Pure Oil site.
They've taken the samples, they sent them off for analysis. They've not got the final report back. When we see something like this that says, well, you don't dig in excess of 2 feet, it sort of concerns us.
But the area has a history of pollution. In December 2006, more than 2.1 million pounds of nearby lead-contaminated soil was hauled off. This Chevron document, dated July 2007, says the company also removed underground piping, concrete stumps, solidified petroleum hydrocarbons, even wooden tanks. All left over from the oil boom of the 1920s.
I was concerned that perhaps there's still something in the soil.
The county clerk's office says the land was given to Habitat for Humanity by a private individual about 8 years ago. The community pitched in money for the construction project. That project today, little more than an overgrown playground.
Habitat for Humanity, the land was donated for them, and that's a great thing, donate land. But that's contaminated, and then they don't want to have the bronze to clean it up first.
The internal email goes on to say the city will not approve building permits for the site until the final environmental report is analyzed. That could come as early as the end of the month. If the state decides this land is unfit for a subdivision, you won't need a scientist to point out the most obvious sign of waste. In Ardmore, Robin Beal, First News.